Hey there, I'm Kitchen Kimberly, and today I'm very excited to give you a quick tour of my pantry. Having a well-stocked and organized pantry makes mealtime easier, more efficient, and enjoyable.
On the very top shelf are some items that we don't use frequently. These are white pastas and white rices that we used to eat on the standard American diet. We are gradually eliminating those items from the pantry to make more room for the goodness of the whole food plant-based items you see here. I like to keep a variety of different types of pasta: wheat pasta, lentil, and a couple of shapes of brown rice pasta just to keep meals interesting. We also enjoy brown rice as well as brown and red lentils. We also keep a good supply of oats as well as other grains, dried beans, and legumes. For snacking, baking, and oatmeal, I keep a good supply of dried fruits and a variety of nuts. I love the containers that I'm using for the pantry now. They give a nice, sleek, modern look to the pantry, and they're airtight and BPA free. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to check them out. Now let's swing over to the right and take a look at what's on this side. And here's my favorite section of the pantry, the canned goods. As you can see on the left, I have a nice supply of black olives. That might be my favorite food, as well as a variety of canned tomatoes and beans, which are great for making salads and soups and stews. And since it's fall, I have a good supply of canned pumpkin on hand as well. Having a good canned food section really helps mealtime come together easily and efficiently. I also use 3-tiered canned good organizers, which really expand the storage space I have in the pantry. Here in Texas, we eat a lot of Tex-Mex food, thus the need for a variety of salsas and enchilada sauce. I also keep a variety of herbal teas on hand to warm us up on those chilly fall evenings. And here are some more goodies just to jazz up our meals. And you see that bottle of olive oil there? We don't eat that anymore, but if you'll mix equal parts of olive oil with sugar or kosher salt, it makes a natural exfoliant for your hands. To maximize the space in a corner of a pantry like this, I place a Lazy Susan. This makes it easy to access things in bottles, such as flavored vinegars. I keep my winter squash and onions in baskets that I picked up at the dollar store. They're perforated so they allow for air circulation. I also have baskets on the top shelf where I keep items like paper plates and party supplies.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's pantry tour and that now you are motivated and inspired to get in there and get yours organized as well. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love for you to be a part of this plant-based community, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a new video. I'm Kitchen Kimberly. Remember, you have the power of your own good health right there in your hands. Just look at what's on the end of your fork and make sure it's plant-based. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.